So now you know conceptually that the nature of the consciousness is empty, it's void, it's without layers. And you also know that you are that. Now, the real question is, how do I get to become who I am? Is by undoing the conditioning, undoing the belief, undoing the identification of what we think we are. That's the process. And to undo the conditioning, pretty much everyone is in line with meditation, isn't it? And there are several kinds of meditation available in the world. And every time there's a new method is emerging in the world as a spiritual practice. And as a spiritual seekers, everybody is hungry for the truth, hungry to dissolve the struggle, dissolve the fear. And when that hunger, that burning desire to be free from the inner struggle, pretty much everyone is trying everything to break free from that mental prison. And the result from participating in all sorts of meditation methods or spiritual method is still failing us to be free from our mental struggle, isn't it? The conflict is still there, the fear is still there. Now, after being part of the meditation practices, the silence practices has added new layers, new ideas in us, isn't it? New conditioning in us. If when we reflect, we know that before aligning with the spiritual practice, life was already full of struggle, fear, conflict. By being part of the spiritual practices, now we have new idea and struggle. And by being part of the spiritual practice, instead of dissolving the struggle, mental struggle, we have the another ideas of rejecting the world. We are